Hello, I'm Angel,
And I am Laura.
and we're gonna talk you about energy drinks. As you might know, energy drinks like Red Bull, Monster, or Rockstar are used to give us energy and keep us active to do sport or dance at the disco till they make you leave.
But what are they made of? Are they healthy? Should we drink it? And do we really need to do so? This is a composition of one of the most famous and most sold energy drinks, Monster. On one hand, we can already see that it is composed of many sugars. The maximum daily sugar intake is 50 grams to 60 grams in an average, but the recommended amount is less than half of it. A can contains 26 grams of sugar, and that is more than what you should take in a day. But that is not the worst. If it only had sugar, then it would just be soda.
The worst is that they have a huge caffeine and taurine content, much more than the one recommended, a maximum of 400 milligrams of caffeine and 500 milligrams of taurine every day, which shouldn't be taken at the same time. Actually, a 5 milliliter can has the same amount of caffeine as 3 cups of black coffee. These two chemicals stimulate the brain to decrease the sensation of tiredness temporarily. They make you feel less fatigued, but they don't really give you energy. Because of this, when the effect wears off, you feel more tired than before. Because of these chemicals, energy drinks can have some side effects as insomnia, hypertension, headache, arrhythmia, nausea, vomits, diarrhea, convulsions, dehydration, anxiety, or behavior disorders.
For these reasons, big sanitary authorities like WHO or Spain's Health Ministry don't recommend them. In fact, the sale of energy drinks to minors in Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia is forbidden. In conclusion, it's better to avoid energy drinks and only take them in necessary cases of doing physical activity and, above all, take them with care or just don't take them, which is the best option.